Did you know a simple tomato could transform your health? Yes, it's not just a kitchen staple. It's packed with incredible benefits that might surprise you. Tomatoes are loaded with antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene. These help reduce oxidative stress and improve blood circulation, keeping your heart healthy. But here's a secret. Cooking tomatoes makes these nutrients even more powerful. Wait, do you prefer raw or cooked tomatoes? Drop your answer in the comments below. Now let's talk about anti-aging. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which helps produce collagen, a key ingredient for firm, wrinkle-free skin. And lycopene, it shields your skin from harmful UV rays. Again, cooking tomatoes boosts these benefits. Here's a fun fact. Tomatoes are great for your gums. Their natural acids fight bacteria, and their anti-inflammatory properties help reduce gum disease. Bet you didn't see that one coming. Lastly, tomatoes work wonders for your gut health. They act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your digestive system. For maximum gut benefits, raw tomatoes are best. Want more tips like this? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts on how you use tomatoes.